Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting leaks to hit the drone community. That's right, DJI is gearing up to unveil their latest innovation, the DJI Flip. And we've got all the details you need to know before the official announcement on January 14th. Whether you're a casual flyer, a content creator, or a drone enthusiast, this new compact folding drone might just be the game changer we've all been waiting for. Let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is the DJI Flip? Leaks from trusted DJI insider Igor Bogdanov suggest this drone is designed to bridge the gap between entry-level and advanced models in DJI's mini-series. Scheduled for an early 2025 release, possibly at CES, the Flip promises a mix of portability, AI-driven intelligence, and safety features, all packed into a device that weighs less than 250 grams. That weight is crucial because it means the DJI Flip won't require licensing in many countries, making it super accessible for beginners. But portability isn't the only selling point here. Let's dive into the details. The Flip's design is sleek and purposeful. Its lightweight build doesn't just make it easy to carry, it also fits neatly into regulatory sweet spots. But the real innovation lies in its LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance and full-surface propeller protection. These are features we usually see in DJI's higher-end models, like the Air 3. For a drone in this category, that's a huge leap forward. LiDAR technology will allow the Flip to detect and avoid obstacles with remarkable precision, making it safer for new pilots and perfect for flying in tight spaces. Plus, the full-surface propeller protection means you can fly with confidence, whether indoors or out. One of the Flip's standout features is its intelligent flight modes. Leaks suggest it will come with DJI's popular quick-shot modes like Droney, Rocket, Circle, and Helix. These make capturing cinematic footage almost effortless. But here's the kicker. The Flip will also feature advanced AI tracking capabilities. This means the drone can autonomously follow subjects, adapt to their movements, and keep them perfectly framed. Imagine getting professional-grade shots with minimal piloting skills. It's a content creator's dream. Speaking of content creation, let's talk about the camera. The DJI Flip is rumored to feature a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR support. For a drone this compact, those specs are groundbreaking. And if you're into aerial photography, you'll love the included ND filters. Options like ND16, ND64, and ND256 will help you capture cinematic footage even in bright sunlight, giving you complete control over exposure and motion blur. The Flip also excels in flight time, with a rumored 31-minute battery life powered by a 3100 mAh battery. This gives you plenty of time to get those perfect shots without constantly needing to recharge. And thanks to DJI's OcuSync 4.0 transmission system, you'll enjoy a stable connection with reduced latency and extended range. Plus, compatibility with DJI's latest controllers, including the RCN3, adds to the flexibility. One of the most intriguing rumors is the inclusion of a cellular dongle module, which could keep the Flip connected in areas with weak Wi-Fi signals. If true, this would drastically improve its operational range. Now, let's talk pricing. The DJI Flip will reportedly come in 3 configurations to suit different types of users. The base package, priced at $460 USD, is ideal for beginners or hobbyists looking to start with just the essentials. For those seeking enhanced control and handling, the RC2 controller bundle, priced at $670 USD, includes an upgraded remote controller. Finally, the Fly More combo, expected to cost $800 USD, provides a comprehensive kit for more demanding users, including extra batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying case. This tiered pricing strategy ensures the Flip appeals to a broad audience, from casual flyers to dedicated drone enthusiasts. Of course, there are still a few unknowns. How will the Flip perform in real-world conditions, especially in low light? And how seamless will its AI tracking and LiDAR systems actually be? DJI has a solid reputation, but we'll have to wait for hands-on reviews to find out. The DJI Flip is shaping up to be an incredible addition to DJI's lineup. With features like 4K HDR video, advanced AI, and robust safety systems, all wrapped in a lightweight, portable design. It's set to redefine what compact drones can do. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional creator, or someone looking to explore aerial photography, the Flip seems ready to deliver. We're counting down to the announcement on January 14th at CES, so stay tuned with us for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about the DJI Flip as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates.